This puzzle book is selling really well on Amazon, and 30 days royalties say 4,493 to 6,739. This book has made this amount during the last 30 days only, and these are the units orders. These are the estimate numbers provided by self-publishing titans. The book is ranking 925. This is the BSR in all books, and let me show you. This is a puzzle book, Sudoku book for adults, large print. The cover says 2026 Sudoku large print puzzle book, and I have analyzed this book and I have also created my version of this book, and I will show you how to create this really fast. So before going into the book creation, let me show you other book. This is also Sudoku large print. This is selling really well as well. 30 days royalty says over $500 to $761, and these are the last 30 days sales, means the units ordered during the last 30 days. So these numbers are shown by self-publishing titans Pro. Let me show you the niche, and then I will show you how to create these books really fast using Cloudorca puzzle apps. Large print Sudoku is really popular on Amazon, and there are a lot of sub-niche ideas under this, and I am using this Chrome extension from Helium 10. I am also using a Chrome extension from self-publishing titans. So if we click on this extension, that is Titans Pro, it will quickly show you the keywords along with really helpful data like search volume, search results, demand, and opportunity score. You can sort by opportunity score here and here as well. Let me show you the large screen. Large print Sudoku books for seniors. This could be really good niche. Then there's large print Sudoku for seniors. This could be a very good title of your book. Large print Sudoku 2025. Now you can publish large print Sudoku 2026. So then is large print Sudoku puzzles easy, and then is large print Sudoku spiral bound. We cannot publish spiral bound via Amazon KDP. Extra large print Sudoku for senior. This could be very good niche as well. Brain games large print. This could be brand name. So basically large print Sudoku book is really good niche, and you can target multiple sub niche ideas like large print books, easy large print book, medium large print book, extreme are similar. How to create these books really fast? To create these books really fast, you can subscribe to Cloudorca puzzle apps. They have multiple subscriptions like, let me show you, puzzle apps, math apps, and activity apps. If you subscribe to their puzzle apps, you will have access to this part and this one. These are the activity apps and these are the puzzle apps, or you can subscribe to their math apps. But for now, I will show you the puzzle apps. Under the puzzle apps, you will find almost 10 different puzzle generators with all premium features and with all the upgrades, and you will have to only pay monthly basis. Under puzzle apps, you can see word search puzzles, coloring word search puzzles, image word search puzzles, Sudoku puzzle. We will going to use this one, cryptogram puzzle generator, shape word search generator, then word search puzzle generator. This is the simple one. Crossword puzzle generator, exotic Sudoku puzzle generator, and then crypto Sudoku puzzle generator. These are all great apps, and you can create a lot of high quality books using these apps. For now, I'm going to use this one. Click on access, and it will take you to this page, Sudoku puzzle generator. If you have puzzle subscription, you can access all the upgrades, and simply go to this one. Here you can create a new collection, Sudoku large print. Create collection, and here you can click on the collection again, and here you will find 6 different Sudoku templates. Let me zoom in. This is 4 into 4. This is number based, and this is image based. 4 into 4. Then is 6 into 6. Then is the 9 into 9. This type of book we are going to create 9 into 9. Before going to the creation, you can set the margins. This is the saddle inside margin. You can increase the inside margin to something like 6, and then you can reduce the top and bottom margin to something 5, and here 5.5. Show margins. And then you can also show the page numbers if you want to, like page 1, or you can simply select the just simply 1 and page number start at, and you can also change the template size if you want to. I am sticking with the default one, that is 8.5 into 11. Then click on update. So you can see the margin here is slightly bigger one. If you want to increase this even further, you can select here 7. And it will increase here, and once you duplicate this page like clone page, the margin will auto shift on the other side. So this is really cool feature inside Cloudorca apps. Now we have our page setup. We will go back to our Sudoku components. Here I will add this puzzle. They have really cool feature here, that is grid generator. You can select this, and here you can select the difficulty level, If you want to create very easy puzzle, you can select the difficulty level to very easy one here. So it will shift the difficulty level here. You can also change the stroke width, stroke thickness, and you can also change the stroke colors if you want to, and do a lot of customizations here. You can also click on and show the solution here if you want to, then click update and it will show the solution. We are not going to show solution here. Now select the puzzle template here or puzzle page here and then go to grade. You can also change the font, you can also change the color. These are a lot of options here. So go to grade here, and here you can select 2 into 2 if you want to create 4 puzzle page, or 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. You can also click and show title. For example, if you want to create 2 into 2, here you can type easy Sudoku puzzle. Just type the name here, easy Sudoku or just easy, and then add a hash and write puzzle, and it will pull the puzzle number here. Click apply, easy Sudoku 1, easy Sudoku 2, 3 and 4. So similarly you can add multiple grids here. Now the real magic is go to bulk clone, and you can quickly create multiple pages here. Enter the number of pages you want to clone. For example, I want to have 20 easy puzzle pages here, and page number is starting from page 2 because we have already created the page 1. Then the puzzle number would start from 5 because we already have 4 puzzles. Click on clone, and it will quickly create 20 more pages of easy Sudoku puzzles. Let's see. Just scroll down. This is page 2, and you can see easy Sudoku 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can change the titles. You can also change the puzzle size. We are going to create the large print. I'm deleting these pages because I want to start from scratch. Add a blank page. To create large print Sudoku, you can simply click this puzzle here. Select the difficulty level here. If you are going to create easy, then select the easy difficulty and change the stroke to 10 and here stroke width to 5. Now we are all set. We can go to grid here. Select 1 into 2, show title, easy Sudoku puzzle, and here we go. Now we only have 2 puzzles per page. You can also delete one if you want to only create 1 puzzle per page. Like you can click on this grid and simply place it here and enlarge it. It is extra large. Here you can increase the size. You can also change the font. Now we are all set. Now you can simply go to bulk clone. Here you can create the number of pages. I am going to create 19 more pages so that I have 20 pages in total. Page number would start from page number 2 and the puzzle should start from 2 as well. Clone pages. Now you can see we have quickly created large print easy Sudoku puzzles. These are the 20 pages in total. Now I can clone a single page this time, not bulk clone. This time I would go and change the difficulty level to something like medium. Here click update. Now the puzzle is medium. Simply I need to delete this one, and here I click this puzzle and go to grid again and select show puzzle. And this time I will select medium Sudoku. You need to manually type this and then click apply. It is again creating the 2 pages, so we need to increase it to something like this, and here we can also change its size 22 or 21. You can go back and copy the settings from your previous puzzle page. Like previously we were selecting stroke width to 6 and stroke thickness to 11.52. So you can go to this page here and match the numbers 6 and 11.52. This would be our puzzle page. You can also change the cell size by copying the cell size from previous one, 2, 7 into 3, 4. We are actually matching everything on this page around 207. Here we go. We have created very same puzzle, but this time the difficulty level is different. You can go here and also copy the font and font size. This was 24, so we will go to 21 page here, and I will select this to 24 as well. Simply enlarge the box here, place it in the middle of the page. Now we have created our medium Sudoku puzzle 1. Simply go to bulk clone again. We are going to clone 20 pages. We will be creating 19 more of this medium Sudoku, and the page number should start from 22 and the puzzle should start from 2 clone pages. You can see medium Sudoku 1. This is our original page. Now we will be seeing our next pages. Medium Sudoku 2 and the page number is 22. Medium Sudoku 3, 4, 5 and you will end up to Medium Sudoku 20 and the page number is 40. Repeat the process for hard. Here go to puzzle here and change the difficulty level to something hard. Note down the cell size, thick stroke width and the stroke width. I am deleting this one and I am going to grade again, and this time I will click 1 into 1 and show the title to hard Sudoku puzzle, and it will create 2 Sudoku pages. I am going to delete the second one because I only want to have 1 puzzle per page. I will increase this to 207 and here it is 6 and then click update. Increase the box size. I'll center line this and set this to 24. Now we are all set. We have 20 easy Sudoku puzzle, 20 medium Sudoku puzzle, and now I am going to create 20 hard Sudoku puzzles. I will go to bulk clone. I will create 19 more pages. Page number should start from 41 and the puzzle number should start from 2 clone pages. Hard Sudoku 1, hard Sudoku 2. Similarly, we are here at hard Sudoku 60. You can go and bulk clone and create more pages of hard Sudoku if you want to, and create a 100-page book or even more. They also have a rapid book creator. To demonstrate that, I will add different collection here. I will go back and I will create a different collection here. Sudoku 2. Write any collection name. Go to page settings and change the margin to 7 and change the top and bottom margin to 5. Update and show the page numbers to page 1. Page number start at 1 as well and update. Now here we can go to the rapid book generator. You can select the grid 1 into 1, 1 into 2 and then you can select the Sudoku type to 9 into 9. Easy, medium and hard. Show the book title. Number of pages. I am going to create 25 easy pages and I want to show the puzzle title as well. And then add to book. This would be our title page. Add to book here. We are going to create. This is creating. It will take some time. Now we can see it has created easy Sudoku. This is a large print, very similar pages, but on the title is small. You need to change that, or you can customize one page and duplicate this by using bulk clone. So this is another way of creating Sudoku books. If you want to create more pages, you can go to rapid book generator as well. And this time the number of pages would be 25 again, 9 into 9. This time you are going to create medium and show title as well. This time you can create medium Sudoku puzzles. Add to book. Okay, then create, and it will create medium Sudoku puzzles really fast, and it will append that toward the end of previously created puzzle. You can see we have medium puzzle added toward the end of previously created pages, that was 25 as well. So we have quickly created 50 pages of easy and medium Sudoku, and we have only 1 puzzle per page. The next section you can create 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. Only difficulty level is available easy, medium and hard. But if you want to create 1 by 1, if you want to use a different method, that was our previous method. In that you can change the difficulty level yourself. You can put this rider here easy and then medium, then hard and then extreme. You can use 4 difficulty level if you want. Use the second way of this grid and you're writing the title yourself. And so this is a really useful app inside the Cloud Orca puzzle apps. I think you will love these puzzle apps. So you can check out the link in the description below. You will have access to these puzzle apps. These are the 10 different apps and you can get these monthly subscription. If you want to have lifetime access to only Sudoku puzzle generator, you can get that as well. I will leave both links in the description below. If you have questions, do let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.